In this video I will show you that how you can get the transcript of any YouTube video. So what is a transcript? Transcript is basically a text of what is spoken in to the YouTube video. So first of all you have to open up that specific YouTube video, and then you will see like here like button, dislike, share, download, save, and you have to click on these three dots here, and then you will see this option which is like show transcript. So you will click on this option and you will see this window here which is called transcript. So it shows you the timestamp and then the text that on this timestamp this text has been spoken into the video. So now if you want to actually copy this text, what you can do, you will click on these three dots and click on toggle timestamps, so it will actually remove the timestamps, and then you have to like copy this, scroll to the end, and then right click, copy, and then open up any text software. So I will open up Notepad, and then just Control V, paste here, and now this is the transcript of this YouTube video. So that's how you can actually get the transcript of any YouTube video. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.